gamers, today we're gonna be completing this a troll broken tower. Seriously, bro. No. Okay. I was almost there, but not usually almost. It's 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 kinda halfway through, but oh no, you were trolling, guy. Oh, I think someone trolled her. That's why she's angry. It's Lululemon. Is I know that. I know that. That's from the Philippines too. But I don't know who made it first, but I think it's the USA that who made Lululemon. Oh, I think this is the guy that the girl talking about. Hey, can you oh, you sure? Oh my god! I didn't see that coming! Okay, let's try that again. I literally hate this obbies. But I have a badge that it's complete, so yeah. If you want to add me in Roblox, this is my username, so Great Place Roblox. Yeah, that's my display name. And just say Roblox and Cyberplay, so add me if you want, but you don't have to add if you don't want to, so yeah. Okay, let's talk about silent reading. Ha! Seriously, bro, I keep falling on that stage. Are you seriously? This is gonna be a long time, guys, so be patient. Don't be toxic. Okay. 2 minutes. 11, 12, 3 to 13, 14. The bacon didn't know about this. Wait, is that the guy? Oh, I don't know. Oh, seriously, bro! Why you oh no. There's a lot of drama in this game. That's why it's the most hated game in whole Roblox. I think it's the Trolley Spinning Tower. I don't know what is the most hated game, but I usually think Trolley Spinning Tower. Yeah, Trolley Spinning Tower too. Don't send me notifications. The girl! Oh my god. The guy literally troller. Seriously, bro. Okay, let's just try again. I haven't do wall hop, so I will show you guys how to tutorial on wall hop. Oh, I forgot I was a Filipino, not a USA and American, but I just speak English if you're American. Okay. Here's the guy. I can do that, but it's 10.5. Wait. Oh, no. Oh my god! I just did a wall hop, guys. Did you see that? Oh my god. That's my first time wall hopping. Yeah, it's seriously my first time trying. I keep stuttering. So I mean time. Yes, time. You go first, Bacon. I don't want to see my secret skills. You go. You go first. You go first. Bye bye. I'm loving this game. I hope my screen recorder is not deleting this because how dare you, screen recorder? Stop doing that. Okay. This is where I fell, guys. I think. I forgot. Can you resume the video? Where did I fell? I think it's this with slow gentle rain. This, I hate this. I hate this part of, yeah, you see that? I hate this part. Yeah, I hate that. I hate that. Okay. Okay, this is, wait, no! Wait, okay. It's a little bit damaged. See, you see that? The black stage? That's the most hardest, but Iron Rosa or Pink Leaf can make it, I think. If if they are if they are pros, that means that I'm a pro too. Look, I'm almost there. If I fell in this, I will literally rage quit. By the way, guys, if I rage quit, I'm gonna be ending the video. So, oh no! Okay, that wasn't an rage quit, guys. That was just a scream. I rage quit by slamming the table like this. That doesn't count, guys. That doesn't count. I'm just showing you an example how do I rage quit. More silent time. Doing ASMR. I don't know what did I just do. But don't guys be reminding. Okay. My camera keeps moving in this stage. I don't know because if my hands are too slippery because yeah, I'm kindly too oil. Okay, I have a little heart attack, just like my friend. Okay, fast. Okay. No. Oh, yes. I cannot see because of the darkness. Ah! Okay, we just spawned in the stage. See that? First try. This is gonna be taking you a lot of dark. Okay, not this maze. I cannot see. I don't know. Wait, is this the correct? No, it's a dead end. My avatar is too fat. Oh, over here, guys, over here. Chat, we made it. Okay, we're just gonna do. The only thing is left is this. The only thing is left, but I hope nobody trolls. That is so bright. That is so. Huh? What do I do? Oh, I didn't see that part. Oh no. Let's just hide so nobody can troll us. Just look at this, guys. Keep trolling, huh? Keep trolling. Don't you dare troll, okay? Don't you dare troll. Guys, I haven't rage quit, so we made it. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. So bye guys. See you later.